Hey everyone, I'm Jacqueline, and in doing the administrator or tier 3 permissions. So let's go ahead and sign in as the admin. And once the BOLOs load, you'll be able to see that the admin has access to view all the BOLOs. The admin also has access to edit, view, archive, or delete any BOLOs within the admin's own agency. So as you can see, this is the admin's BOLO, and it has the ability to edit, view, archive, delete. And then there's the supervisor's BOLO, which happens to be in the same agency as the administrator. And the administrator has the ability to edit, view, archive, and delete the supervisor's BOLO as well, since they are from the same agency. Officer and root are not within the same agency as super or admin, so the admin only has the ability to view these two BOLOs. You can also see that the administrator has access to the admin dashboard. So when they go into the admin dashboard, they only have the ability to manage users. They don't have the ability to see anything else. So once you click, you can see that they have the ability to view all of the current users in the system. However, they only have the ability to edit or delete or add tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 users within their own agency. So for instance, if they try to view the root, which is a tier 4 and not in the same agency, they only have the permission to view. They don't have the permission to edit or delete. But then when they go into, for instance, super, which is within their own agency, and a tier below them, tier 2, they have the ability to edit and delete as well. In addition to that, they have the ability to create new users. So as you can see, they can only create an agency. So only their agency will show up when they're creating a new user. And also they can only create tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 users. So as you can see, they only have the ability to create these 3 users and not the root, which is the tier 4 user. So this has been the demo for the admin or tier 3 privileges. Thank you for watching.